To download The Dark Queen of Mortholme on a PC or laptop, start by visiting the website h.io, a platform where developers share their games and allow users to support them through play and purchases. On the website, locate the search box and type in "The Dark Queen of." The game should appear as the first result. Click on it, then scroll down to find the download button. Upon clicking download, a prompt will appear indicating that the game is free, but the developer accepts voluntary payments as a form of support. Users can choose to pay an amount they deem fair, using PayPal or a card, and enter their email address. Any contribution, whether $1 or $10, is encouraged to support the game's developer. Alternatively, if a payment cannot be made, it is possible to proceed without paying by selecting the option to just take the download. The next step involves clicking on the correct download link based on the operating system being used, such as Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once the download is complete, the game can be found in the Downloads folder, and launching it is as simple as double-clicking on the file. The game will then start, and play can begin.